everybody. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. It is Sunday, April 28th, 2019. We are on our way down to Brenningsville to drop this empty trailer, pick up a loaded trailer, and head up to Clay, New York for my delivery tomorrow. Clay is just a little bit north of Syracuse there. Just before 6 p.m. on Sunday, well, I guess late afternoon, it'd be early evening now. And it's about 40 degrees out. Been raining on and off all weekend. Been kind of cool. Wasn't much outdoor stuff going on this weekend. Well, we should be up in Clay with our loaded trailer going on break somewhere around 1 a.m., 1:30, somewhere right in there. Our delivery window tomorrow is from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., so we got lots of time to work with. Glad you guys could all join me today. Thanks for being here. Come back and see me tomorrow, too. Think about subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Okay, we will talk to you in a little while. Guys, we're at the TA in Binghamton here. We're gonna get out and fuel this thing up. Okay guys, we got us our fuel in Binghamton. We're back out here rolling again, going south. We got 126 miles left to go until we get to Brenningsville. Got a total of 347 miles to my delivery. So, throwing in a 30-minute break, and we're not getting there till about 2 a.m. Which is still fine. It's still 12 hours before I have to deliver, so as long as I get that 10-hour break in. Come down here on Sunday nights, I gotta make sure I get here early enough in case like I don't have that situation I had 2 weeks ago with the wrong seal number on the trailer, and the security shack, they can't do anything with that. They can't let the trailer go. It can't be fixed until Monday morning. So I have to get down here early enough that I can take my 10-hour break down in Brenningsville and then still make my delivery on time. So as long as I'm in Brenningsville by 11 p.m., I can take off at 9 and still make the 2 o'clock delivery, which right now we're showing Brenningsville at about 9:40 p.m. So we got a little window or a little margin for error there. But I'm not anticipating Alright guys, just got here to Brenningsville. Gonna drop this trailer. And I got the paperwork. The only thing that could hold me up now is if there's something majorly wrong with the trailer or if the seal's bad. We'll find out here shortly. Looks alright. Seems to be still recording. That's a tough little camera. I knocked that right to the concrete. Put you back here a little further out of the way. Yeah, that fell all the way from up here right onto the asphalt parking lot. They still seem to be working. Alright guys, get this thing dropped and go find my trailer because I don't have it. Usually they put the parking spot location on the paperwork, but not on there, so I gotta search the yard for it. I had to pull it out of the door. It was still in the door with the doors open, so we're gonna have to close it up, seal it up. Okay, here's our seal. 5450, that's the right number. Yeah, we'll get this thing sealed up. Okay. I'm gonna need two hands for that, so let's put you down here for a minute. Alright, well, we got the lock on. I mean, we got to get the lock on yet. They got the seal on. Taking a good look at this trailer. It's an older trailer. Alright, I forgot to bring my lock with me, so I'm going to stick that on yet. There we go. Alright. Guess everything's alright with this trailer. Everything checks out with the trailer, so we're good to go. Seal's good, paperwork's good. Hey guys, just got out the security gate here at Brenningsville, heading up the Clay.